What's up, Geeks 4x4? Welcome to the channel today. And today, I think I'm going to release this video while I am in Moab so that you guys can be with me, kind of. Obviously, I'm home now. I'm going to make this video before, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I do to prep my Jeep to go to Moab. I drive it there. Probably not the best idea, but I do. And then I wheel it for a week, and I drive it home. This time, I think it's going to come home on a trailer again. I'm moving some more stuff for my mom from Utah, so I think it'll come home on a trailer, which is great. It's done that twice now in like the 10 times that I've driven down there. So I got to do a couple things to prep them. So let's talk about it. So I always crawl all over the Jeep. And check things out. I have been dealing with some clunking in the front end, and I found out that, shout out to Rugged Fabworks for laying underneath the Jeep while I rocked it back and forth in gear to find the clunk. Found out lower control arms are bad, so I upgraded the JKS arms that I have. They're the old J-Axis arms, and they probably have 80 or 90,000 miles on them. Those JKS arms have been around. So I'm going to be upgrading to Metal Cloak all the way around, but slowly but surely I'm going to do it. So first off was the ones that were clunking really bad. So I got new Metal Cloak lower arms. Really happy with them. I feel like the Jeep actually rides better, which they advertise, but I did not expect at all. So that got done, and I'm really happy with that. Next on the list was there's a hop at 45 or 50 miles an hour, or 56 to 59 miles an hour. Well, I had put Spicer joints in these a couple years ago after having Napa joints in this side, and the Napa joints had those lines in them, which are called knurls, or I don't know, the lines, to make it fit better. And they fell out. Literally, the bottom one was falling out. So luckily, the local spot in town, Rock Ridge 4-wheel drive, had the TerraFlex heavy-duty ball joints. Put them in all four. This thing is happy as a clam now. And today I got it aligned. 7.2 degrees of caster on this side, 7 degrees of caster on that side. Thing drives beautifully. Okay, under the hood, there's a couple little things that I have been dealing with. The horn was really intermittent during Trail Hero. Couldn't figure out why. Well, the wires, my dad, when he built this and put a different horn in it, just like added the horn instead of, taking. So there was still another horn there, and there was the wires pigtailed, essentially, pigtailed, piggy, and so those wires were shot. Anyway, I wired it straight to it. Horn works again. Battery cables. If you haven't seen that video, there will be a link up above, and then you could see right in the back. There's a little hidden thing. Well, the heater cores on these TJs, they tend to leak. So mine's leaking, and I've been losing coolant for a couple years, and I bypassed it. We don't need a heater for Jeep Safari. Let's go wheeling and moving to the inside. Got starting to get everything prepped here. I started to charge radios, charge all those, and got all those in the Jeep. I've got some, started to put together some of my recovery gear, and tool bag is next. Tool bag, air compressor, first aid kit. You guys know all the fun stuff that I carry in the Jeep. If you don't know what I carry, there is a link up there. But yeah, the thing I'm most excited about is these, having a U-joint now. These little bags are going to be nice. So I'm going to throw this in the Jeep. And yeah, we're about ready to go here. It is the week before, actually. But I'm going to be gone the next week. And then you guys are going to watch this when we're in Moab. So if you are in Moab, or if you know someone in Moab, we will probably be at whatever night the YouTube, Instagram hangout thing is. I don't even know when that is. I never do. I just find out. My buddy Off Pavement's better at taking care of all that, knowing when to do all that. And RC3 Jeep, my buddy Rod. Both of them. So I'll be there. If I'm in town, I'll be in town till Thursday. If you see, a stock sleeper LJ, not stock, but it has a Geeks 4x4 thing on the side. I might put some stickers on the windows so we get a little bit more contact from you guys. Anyway, if you see me in town, do not hesitate. I would love to say hi to you. I appreciate all of your support, and I hope to see you there. I've even got some stickers, so if you come up to me and say, hey, Geeks 4x4, I might even give you a sticker. So, pretty cool. So, anyway, Easter Jeep Safari, epic event. I hope you're here. I know I'm saying that a week or two before from my garage, but I really hope you're at Jeep Safari, because it's just great. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the support this year. I hope that the next content I can give to you after Jeep Safari is really cool stuff. Hoping to do some really cool rig walkarounds while I'm here. And just get to meet some really cool people. Get to catch up with some great people I met on Ultimate Adventure. And yeah, I'm so excited about it. We will see you guys. Thanks for watching.